Hello, Jerry here again. Today I'm going to make a how-to video here. What we're going to make is a hot wire to be able to cut styrofoam, foam, or any type of foam, even plastic. It'll even cut through plastic, which is, there's a cut through it right there. Here's some of the foam pieces that I've sliced through. Various thicknesses here. They do a very nice smooth job of cutting. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of hard to videotape with one hand and tell you about it here. Okay, anyhow, basically I took everything I had laying around from my garage. This is obviously a piece of a badminton rack handle, and this is where it attached here. So I disconnected that because I wanted a handle. So I took two handles and I took and bolted them together at the bottom. Right here is where I bolted them together, and the bolt through, drilled the holes. I took a piece of wood, which I done some etching on, but I took it, made the spread that I wanted to get the distance that I wanted on the actual wire. And I attached the wires from one end to the other here and ran the electrical wire down to a switch that I put in, off and on switch right here, which I welded to the plastic handle by using a welding method, by using a moto tool and a piece of filament. Well, you do the welding by turning it on to a speed, and the friction causes a weld. Here's a little example of welding. I just colored it pink so you can see it. I don't know if you can really see the weld there very good or not. But that's plastic welding, kind of like stick welding. But anyhow, I welded the switch to it. Like I say, this is a hot wire. Sorry about that. And what you do with this hot wire is you can make clean cuts on it. But the switch makes it easier to control. So what I'm going to do is turn it on, and you should see the wire start to glow. Okay, there you can see the wire starting to glow red. This is a 12-volt system that I plugged into, just a 12-volt gel cell battery with a regular plug-in for like a car type plug-in. This is about a 6-foot cord on it, and when I turned it on to do the cutting, just flip the switch on. Now you're ready to cut. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but I'll show you. There you go. It cuts right through it. Knocks it right off. Okay, here's the thicker foam, and it cuts right through the thicker foam too, as you can see. I'll knock it off there. And even this type of foam here, it just cuts right through it, makes a nice clean cut, and then there it is, knocked off again. Okay, I'm going to shut this off for now. And one more little cut here. I'll do this, try to see if I can do it with one hand. I'll cut a piece of this back off again. Hand's not real steady because I'm trying to do everything with one hand, record here. But that's basically what it is here. That's a hot wire, homemade, pieces used in my garage. Plugged into a 12-volt gel cell battery. You can use probably other means of power, but I chose to use this, and as you can see, there's a very rapid cooling after it's shut off. Once it cools down, you know, it's very quick. And that's how to make a hot wire. Thanks for watching. Bye.